My understanding is that the Tibetan people, the government in exile, received money from the US government. So I'm curious, if that was disrupted, is it back on track? Are you receiving funding, and sort of how this administration's policies are impacting?
We are a little more fortunate, I think, because of His Holiness, again. Because of His Holiness, we have many friends in the Congress, on both sides of the aisle, in both houses. So we have very good congressional support that we can count on. And then within the administration also, Secretary Rubio, when he was a senator, he had championed many of these bills on Tibet that has turned into acts which he should be implementing now. So we do have very good relations with the State Department. There was no formal announcement, but we believe that the Special Coordinator for Tibetan Issues have been appointed. On the funding side, the cut was universal. So it's not only for Tibetans, but our offices here, the International Campaign for Tibet, the Office of Tibet, and all our friends in the Congress, we all work together in the State Department. Everybody worked together to get back at least half of the funding. From 12 million, we are getting back 6.8 million, which not many others have managed to do. And we are also happy to say that we have the provision for budget in the 2026 budget, which will be passed today in the House and then signed by President Trump into a law. And there is a new wording in the appendix that says that for the purpose of the act, the Central Tibetan Administration would be considered the Tibetan government in exile. So this is also one step forward. So we are trying to reach to all the political parties, and every political party has been supportive. And all the institutions are also supporting. We are also reaching out as much as possible. So we are a bit safe.